love the color black? Well, I do. You know what? Black is just not a color, it's an emotion, and I love the things that are in black. So considering this, let's start our today's lesson that is all about black, idioms and phrases with black. The very first one is black and white. Now this refers to a situation that is straightforward or easily understandable with no grey areas. साफ सुथरी बात जो कही जाए, जो समझ में आ सके, घुमा फिरा के नहीं. For example, I like things in black and white. I prefer clear rules. The next is black sheep. This is someone who is considered the odd or disreputable member of a group or family. जिसकी कोई ज़्यादा इज्जत ना हो या जिसका नाम बदनाम हो, जो थोड़ा अजीब हो. For example, he's always been the black sheep of the family. The next is blackout. Blackout refers to a period of time when all lights are turned off, maybe due to electricity or just like that. It's also used metaphorically for a period of memory loss or forgetting events. जब कुछ mind में clear ना हो, जब सब lights बंद हो, ऐसा कुछ. For example, during the storm, we experienced a blackout in the whole neighborhood. The next is black mark, यानी कि काला धब्बा. A negative or unfavorable mark against someone's record or reputation. For example, the late submission of the report was a black mark on him. Otherwise, his performance is excellent. यानी कि एक यही चीज़ है जो उसको नीचे गिराती है, जो उस पर काला धब्बा है. Otherwise, he is good overall. The next is blacklist. That is a list of people or things that are disapproved of or banned. For example, he was blacklisted by the company for his unprofessional behavior. The next is black gold. Now this refers to oil which is highly valuable, that is expensive. For example, the discovery of oil turned the barren land into a region rich in black gold. The next is pitch black. This is used to describe a place or situation that is extremely dark. एकदम अंधेरा. For example, the room was so dark, it was pitch black. And the last one, pot calling the kettle black. Now this refers to someone who is criticizing other person for a fault that they also possess. They also have this fault, but they are criticizing someone कि तुम में भी ये गलती है, जबकि खुद है उसमें. For example, she accused him of being messy, but that's the pot calling the kettle black. Well, okay, that was it. Now don't just go back like this. Do me a little favor. Choose your favorite idiom or phrase and make a sentence using it and write it down in the comment section. I'm looking forward to read all the comments. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring, keep learning.